Hello, my name's Kjartan, and today I'm going to talk about the times tables. I've done two videos about the times tables. One was about the patterns, but this one is about some little tricks that you might not know about. We've looked at quite a lot of the times table area, and you're thinking, well, I've talked about the simple stuff. What about the tricky stuff in this area? What I'm going to show you now is what I think is the cleverest times table trick. You can use your hands to work out any of the answers in this area of the times table. And what I've got to do first of all, I've got to draw all over my fingers. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! What do you think of that? You'll see I've numbered my fingers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on both hands. You don't have to draw on your fingers. I've only done this to make the explanation as clear as I can. What we're going to do is we're going to use my fingers to work out this part of the times table. In fact, I've printed it out here so you can see I can multiply any two numbers between 6 and 10 just using my fingers, okay? Now, there's two jobs to do. What I'm going to do, I put that piece of paper there and try and make this as... Oh, the elephant's there. Hello, elephant. Try and make it as out of the way. You can go and sit there. Don't fall over. Right. Two jobs to do. Multiplying numbers. What should we do? Let's pick some numbers to start off with. I'm going to multiply 8 by 7 because 8 by 7, we know that one is one of our little trick numbers. You touch together two fingers. It could be 7, 8, or I could do 8, 7. Doesn't matter which way around. I'm going to touch together those two fingers. And you can see on this piece of paper, there's a black line. I'm going to hold my fingers so that black line is just sitting on top of the two fingers. Now, the two jobs to do is, first of all, I have to work out the tens, and then I work out the units. To work out the tens, there's a plus there, so I've got to add up how many fingers I've got underneath the black line. That's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 fingers, so that's 5 tens, and that's what I start off with. In fact, I'm just going to quickly write 5 there. Sorry, 50 to show I've got me 5 tens, okay? Bit hard doing this, the dirty fingers and everything else. So let's put them back. Next thing you got to do is at the top it says to work out the units, I need to multiply the fingers above the black line. I've got 3 there, I've got 2 there. 3 times 2, yep, it makes 6. So let's have a little look. 3 times 2 equals 6, and then I just add these two numbers together. 6 plus 50 equals, oh come on, be honest, 56. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 by 8, 56, and there's the answer. How about that? I'll just show you a couple more examples just to show that it always works. What should we do? I'll do a slightly strange one. This one, I'm going to do 9 times 10. It's quite an obvious answer, you know it. But here's how it works. So I've got to twist my arm around, I know you can see this. So the black line has to sit above me, 2 touching fingers like that. And first of all, to work out the tens, how many fingers have I got underneath the black line? Well, I've got all of these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fingers. So that's 9 tens, that's 90. Above the black line, I work out the units. So I multiply 1 by... there's nothing there. 1 times 0 makes 0. So in fact, there's no units. Therefore, 9 times 10 just makes 90. Yeah, all good. There's 90. I'll just show you one more, because this one, you think it's going wrong, but it's not. I'm going to show you 7 times 6. Let me put those two together like that. Again, the black line just sits on top. First of all, to work out the tens, I count out the fingers underneath the line. So 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 tens. That makes 30. And you think, ooh, 7 times 6, 30. So, doesn't. But watch. Above the line, I've got 4 times 3, and that makes 12. If I add 12 to 30, I get 42. And that is 7 times 6. There you are. You won't believe it until you try it yourself. Do have a go, because I love it. In fact, I've shown this trick to loads of people, and they all say to me, that's clever, but how does it work? The truth is, I don't actually know. I'm sure somebody can explain it, but for me, I don't even want to know. It's just magic. I think it's great. Anyway, there's this video, and they've also got the patterns video, times tables patterns video. That might help you with your times tables as well. But in the meantime, from me and the elephant, stay safe, take care, have fun. Bye-bye.